I'm upset, I'm mad, and I thought it was coming in January.
Thing in my mouth, which
Salty. And now, YouTube Studio doesn't even allow you.
sucked last night.
I know, it's only 7 a.m. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. Hey, if you guys like the merch, the new shirt design, check it out, link in the description. You see,
But
you don't have to worry about doing like 700
kids
and for those of you who don't like kid, people are gonna be like, well, what the freak has a rage or a rampage in his
but
hopefully I have cancer. Well, I guess if it was cancer, I could vlog it.
because I think that'd be funny.
What's wrong with
Boy, you got an ugly face. Song I've been working on. Hope you guys like it.
I'm on through the snow. Just strap on my boots and watch me go. But I can't ski until December. Till then I'm just a sex offender.
I hope you guys like it. So that was kind of sad.
having a stroke? What's wrong with me? And I am currently single. I don't really have time for
Kids and
a large girlfriend. And I'm moving out this year. Hopefully. I think I might have to wait another year, or at least until sometime in 2018, which I'm really hoping that's not the situation. Oh my god. I mean, I failed every other New Year's resolution. Why should this be any different? And I showed my parents, which is not uncommon for a millennial. I do plan to move with my parents.
I think I forgot to mention, I'm not 100% sure, but they gave me bacterial or something. I was originally thinking
Around 12 years old.
kids and
Have you ever met one of your fans? And if so, what's the strangest place you've meet them? The house, for the most part. Big reasons why is because I have paranoia. I start freaking out, thinking to burn down the house. Will you be adding another friend with Cappy? No, I don't like it. I say we're mates. Like, that was a highlight. That was a crazy highlight of my life right there.